I bought myself this Parkside 3-in-1 hand saw set. You can use it for metal, plastic or wood. And it comes with multiple blades, like a B metal blade, a steel saw blade, a crosscut saw blade and a jack saw blade. First I'm gonna remove the packing. I'm gonna take a look at how easy it is to change the blades, and then we take it out for a test on different types of wood and on metal to see how this perform and if it's a proper tool. So the blades are pre-installed, these metal blades. There's one with 18 teeth and one with 24 teeth. To attach it, just hook it here and there. And then there is a spanner here. You can tighten it up. And then it's ready to go. To install the other saw blades, push this one, get this out. To install the saw blade, just put it in like this. And there is this spanner. There you go, you have yourself a hand saw. To change this blade, works the same with this blade, spanner, and it's very tight. So let's take it outside for a test. Everything outside, and immediately what comes to my mind, it's not very handy to take it all with you because everything is loose. You cannot store it easily. You have to pick it up all like this. Not very handy. Maybe it fits in your toolbox, then you can get it easily. So all outside. And first we're gonna install this one and give this a test. Well, it cuts very good, but the wood is wet, so that's why it gets stuck all the time. And it's very sharp. Have to move on now because it's getting dark outside. So the next one we're gonna do is this one. Okay, and this time the wood is dry. And of course we're gonna test the metal blades. The one with 24 teeth. As you can see, this one has no function now. And a piece of steel. So I do like this saw, and why do I like it? It's very, no matter what blade you use, they are very tight fitted. They are very strong in the hand grip, no movement, and it won't break. Don't worry, it's very strong. The cutting part, the one I like the most is this one, the 330mm handsaw blade. Yeah, perfect. It's a little bit flexible as always, and yeah, what can I say about it? Very nice. This one got stuck a couple of times, but that's normal in wet wood. It's always hard working to cut wet wood. I hope you like this video. You can have your opinion. Please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a like. Very important for me. And subscribe to my channel for future videos. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.